Join Maryland Snap Ed for a series of live demonstrations that help you make the most of the ingredients in your kitchen. Tune in each Thursday at 11 a.m. for up-to-date information on community food resources across Maryland and a demonstration of a fun, healthy recipe using inexpensive ingredients from the pantry, school meals, or your garden. To join live, simply visit facebook.com/eatsmartmd each Thursday at 11 a.m. Anyone can join. You don't need to have a Facebook account to tune in. So gather your ingredients and cook healthy recipes along with us. Need a reminder? Like our Facebook page and turn on notifications. Can't make the live broadcasts? The recorded sessions are posted on our Facebook timeline, or you can access them through our YouTube channel. Subscribe to our channel for tons of ideas and resources for healthy cooking and learning about nutrition. So tune in, join in the chat, try new healthy recipes, and have some fun.